The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. What if a single vitamin could influence your bones, your immune system, and even your mood, yet millions of people are unknowingly deficient in it every single day? Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, but for many people, sunlight alone just is not enough. Busy indoor lifestyles, seasonal changes, and geography all make it harder to maintain healthy levels. And when vitamin D runs low, the effects can quietly show up as low energy, weaker bones, frequent illness, or even mood changes that feel hard to explain. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. It supports bone strength by helping your body absorb calcium, boosts immune system function so your body can better fight off infections, and contributes to mood regulation and mental well-being. Despite how important it is, many people struggle to get enough vitamin D naturally, especially those living in areas with limited sunlight. That's where vitamin D supplements become a practical and reliable option for maintaining adequate levels. Picture Emily, a busy professional who spent most of her days indoors. She felt constantly tired and noticed she was getting sick more often. After a routine checkup revealed low vitamin D levels, she learned how proper supplementation could support her health. Within a few months of consistent use, paired with better timing and absorption strategies, she felt more energetic and resilient. In this video, you will learn effective strategies for taking vitamin D supplements, including the best times to take them and how to pair them with other nutrients for better absorption. We will also break down the different forms of vitamin D available so you can confidently choose the one that fits your lifestyle and needs. By understanding how to take vitamin D properly, you can unlock powerful health benefits, from improved bone density to stronger immune support. Stick with us until the end, because the final tips often make the biggest difference in real-world results. But before we get started, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Join our growing community focused on health and vitality. Your next breakthrough could be just one video away. Let us start with the basics by looking at the different forms of vitamin D supplements. When choosing a supplement, it is important to understand the difference between vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. Vitamin D2, also known as ergocalciferol, comes from plant sources like yeast and fungi. Vitamin D3, or cholecalciferol, is derived from animal sources such as fish liver oil and lanolin. Research consistently shows that vitamin D3 is more effective at raising and maintaining healthy vitamin D levels in the body. Vitamin D supplements also come in several forms, including capsules, gummies, and liquid drops. Capsules are a straightforward option for many adults. Gummies offer a pleasant taste and are often preferred by those who dislike swallowing pills. Liquid drops allow flexible dosing and can be mixed into food or drinks. Kevin discovered this when he struggled to stay consistent with pills. Switching to liquid drops that he added to his morning smoothie made supplementation effortless and consistent. Choosing the right form comes down to personal preference and routine. The best supplement is the one you will actually take every day. Next, let us talk about dosage, because more is not always better. General guidelines suggest adults aim for about 600 to 800 IU of vitamin D per day, while children usually need around 400 IU. Older adults may require higher amounts to support bone and immune health. However, individual needs vary widely. Factors like sun exposure, diet, activity level, and certain health conditions all influence vitamin D requirements. For example, obesity and absorption issues can lower circulating vitamin D levels. Amanda learned this after supplementing without guidance for years. A blood test showed her levels were still low, and with her provider's help, she adjusted her dosage and finally reached a healthy range. This is why consulting a healthcare provider is essential. Personalized guidance ensures you are taking the right amount for your body and health goals. Now, let us move to timing, because when you take vitamin D, matters more than most people realize. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, which means it is best absorbed when taken with meals that contain healthy fats. Taking it with food like avocados, nuts, eggs, or olive oil improves absorption significantly. Many people find it easiest to take vitamin D in the morning or with lunch. Establishing a routine helps maintain consistency, which is key for long-term benefits. If this information is already helping you, hit like, subscribe, and check the description below for your next must-watch video. Next, it is important to understand potential interactions. Certain medications can interfere with vitamin D absorption or metabolism. Corticosteroids, some weight loss medications, and certain anticonvulsants can reduce vitamin D levels over time. Ryan experienced this after starting a new medication and noticing his energy drop. Reviewing his supplements with his healthcare provider helped adjust his vitamin D intake safely. Monitoring vitamin D levels through blood tests is one of the best ways to ensure supplementation is working. Most experts recommend testing at least once a year, especially if you supplement regularly. A level between 20 and 50 nanograms per milliliter is generally considered adequate, while levels below that may indicate deficiency. Tracking intake and symptoms can also help. Simple notes or apps make it easier to spot patterns and adjust when needed. Incorporating vitamin D into daily routines does not have to be complicated. Setting reminders, pairing supplements with meals, and aligning intake with other healthy habits makes consistency easier. Do not forget about sunlight as a natural source. About 15 to 30 minutes of sun exposure a few times per week can support vitamin D levels, depending on skin type and location. If you want to keep learning and build on this topic, check the description below for your next must-watch video to help kickstart your health journey. To summarize, vitamin D is essential for bone strength, immune health, and mood regulation. Choosing the right form, taking the correct dosage, timing it properly with meals, monitoring levels, and staying aware of interactions all work together to maximize benefits. Small, consistent actions create meaningful health improvements over time. Discover your next breakthrough waiting below. Check the description for your next must-watch video and grab your free keto ebook while you are there. Thank you for watching.